Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder creates iOS and Android apps for your website with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. FluxBuilder 2.10 or later will provide a convenient and customizable translation feature. Users have the freedom to translate text within the app according to their preferences. Now let's view how to update translations on FluxBuilder. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. For example, we will edit the word See All, the word Buy Now, and the word Privacy and Terms. To do that, go to Features, open Translation Override. In App Translation, click Custom button. By default, this feature helps you to update words in English. To translate for other languages, first you should go to Languages. Be sure to select the correct language. Now we will back to Translation Override. Click Custom button. Click Lookup button. Edit the word See All. You can also find a word to edit. Then go to the simulator to see the results. Beside the app's text, you can also adjust the product's variant name on Product Details screen. Once again, go to Features. Remember to select the suitable language. Open Translation Override. In Product Variant's name, click Override button. Here, there are some existing variant names displayed. You can click Add button to input your other variant name and edit it. Or click Edit button to alternate the existing name as shown here. In this video, I will change the word size and color. Now let's see the changes on the simulator. After editing all, you should click the Save button to save it on the cloud, so you can work on multiple laptops. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.